Okay, hi friends. Just going to show you how to set the graphic equalizer on the unit quickly. Go to edit. Of course, I have already gone to GEQ. So you go to GEQ, press, and like I explained why I cut the 1 to 5K. So you can go down anti-clockwise around 4. Same story here. This is where the fundamental range of the HF starts and where the mids end. So there is a huge clash at this point because you will be getting these frequencies both in the mids, in the mid speakers, and also in the HF. And if you don't want these frequencies going down to the lows, you need to have a very well designed passive crossover inside your boxes. The magic is all there in the passive crossover. And here, this is what I normally do. I cut it to this level, and then later on just do a hearing test and see whether I've cut too much or there is more needed to be cut. And then I go back and store. You can also store it and then you will get the home screen. Either ways, I'm just showing you another way of doing these things. So the point of the matter here is, if you have a very good passive crossover inside your box, then you don't need to cut these frequencies as much. So this is the only thing I use the GEQ for. I don't use it for anything else. And this is the only band that is between 1K and 5K where I use the GEQ to cut these frequencies. I don't use the GEQ for anything else, and I strongly recommend that you don't boost any frequencies on the GEQ like I've explained before in my other 2 videos. Please do not go to boost any frequency on a GEQ, or for that matter even on a PEQ, unless you know what you're doing with the PEQ and what kind of notch, what kind of bandwidth you want to boost. Please do not boost anything. You can cut as much as you want. It might sound good, it might sound bad, that's a different story, but you will not destroy your speakers. The main point of this entire exercise of doing sound is that you should come back home with all your speakers intact. There is really no point in going to a show and coming back with all your speakers blown after spending all the money on transportation, labor, and your other expenses, and then coming back home and next day morning you get up and see all your speakers are blown. I do not really see the point of doing shows like that. So once again, use a GEQ only to cut, not to boost. Thank you.